into it. All right, so the first step is you want to make sure you are logged into your Google Business profile, which is quite simple. All you need to do is make sure you go to your Google Business account, which I have done here by just simply searching Google Business. And it should give you the option, as you can see here, to view your profile, to manage your profile. So right here, I am going to select view profile. Now, once you go to view profile, it's quite simple. Look at your mini dashboard. Here's what I like to call it. And under the mini dashboard, you will see where it says ask for reviews, as you could see here. So there are instances that you might just see the top here, depending on what device you're using or the screen. But what you want to do is wherever you are, you want to make sure that you are looking for ask for reviews. As you can see, it's right here. So I'm going to select that. Now, once you select ask for reviews, what you then will see is a link that you could copy to be able to send to people, your clients, your customers, people that you've helped. This is the link. So it's very simple. What do? You simply copy this link. And by just selecting this double box here, you have copied the link. It's quite simple. So once you copy that link, you can go now into your email and paste the link in there and then send it. Now, also, you can easily share it via Facebook. If you click this link right here, it'll take you to Facebook where you could share it with anybody there. Likewise, WhatsApp, likewise your email. So if you were to click these links, your email account that's attached to your Google Business right here on the same screen, it's going to go there, open up, and the link will be in there. And all you have to do at this point in time is add the email address of whoever you want to send it to. But it's that simple.